This is the proposed cost estimation for this three-bedroom bungalow designed for comfort, functionality, and modern living in Ibadan, Oyo State, 2026. The building measures 11 meter by 14 meter, giving it a total floor area of 154 square meters. The type of foundation is pad foundation. The entrance pouch is 10 feet by 4 feet. The kitchen veranda is 8 feet by 4 feet. The ante-room or small parlor is 10 feet by 9 feet with a toilet of 3 feet by 8 feet. The living room is 15 feet by 11 feet and the dining room is 11 feet by 8 feet. The kitchen is 10 feet by 10 feet with a store of 10 feet by 3 feet. The first room is 10 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 7 feet by 4 feet. The second room is 12 feet by 10 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. And the master bedroom is 12 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. All rooms are ensuite, fitted with wardrobes, ensuring both privacy and convenience. For the foundation level, using 5 coach of block, you need 40 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, 6 tons of chippings, 1,200 blocks, 10 lengths of iron rods and labor, bringing the total cost of foundation to 2.8 million naira. This stage forms the backbone of the building, ensuring strength and long-term stability. Next, for the sand filling, you need 1 million naira to procure 6 strips of sand, including labor. This process ensures proper leveling, compaction, and provides a base for the DPC works. For the DPC works, also known as German floor with plain beam or sheathing beam, you need 25 lengths of iron rods, 4 rolls of BROC, 1 roll of DPM nylon, 80 bags of cement, 2 trips of sand, 50 tons of chippings, bringing the total cost, including workmanship, to 2.6 million. This phase is critical in preventing moisture penetration for enhancing durability. Moving upward, for the ground floor block work of 13 coach, you need 3,100 blocks, 40 bags of cement, and 1 trip of sand, which amounts to 3.5 million naira, covering both materials and labor for block work, raising the building walls up to roof height. For the pillar and lintel casting, you need 120 lengths of iron rods, 12 bags of cement, and half a trip of sand, bringing the total materials and labor to 1.4 million. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the roof. For the concrete feature, also known as parapet, you need 2 million naira. For the roofing, you need 350 square meters of roofing sheets, 385 pieces of 2x2, 200 pieces of 2x4, and 24 pieces of 3x4, bringing the total cost of the roofing to 4.5 million, inclusive of installation. At this stage, the building is fully covered and protected from weather elements. From foundation up to roofing, the total cost is 18 million naira. Then for the plastering, you need 100 bags of cement and 2 trips of sand, which came up to a total of 1.7 million, covering both materials and workmanship. This gives the building a smooth finish and prepares it for final works. For the doors, 2.4 million for 2 entrance doors, 9 units of 900 mm doors, and 4 units of 750 mm doors, including installation. Windows, 2.5 million for 17 windows, including installation. Electrical installation through conduit, 2.6 million, covering all materials and workmanship for wiring, fittings, and electrical distribution. For the plumbing works, we spend 2 million naira, covering pipes, fittings, fixtures, and workmanship. For the POP ceiling, you will need 60 bags of POP cement, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.2 million. For the wall screeding, you will need 27 buckets of screeding paint, including workmanship. This amounts to 700,000 naira. For the matte painting, you will need 14 drums of primer and 14 drums of matte paint for both interior and exterior surfaces, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.2 million naira. For the tiling, you will need 108 cartons of wall tiles and 120 cartons of 60 by 60 floor tiles, including workmanship. This amounts to 3 million naira. The total cost for just the building came to 35 million naira. This cost does not include septic and soakaway pit, water tank stand, external wall flooring, and engineering supervision fees. Note: price differs depending on your taste of finishing, size of the building, site location, and current market prices. You don't need to have all the money before you start. Start with what you have and build small small. Remember, inflation waits for no one. The earlier you start, the better. Contact 07064234077 today to begin your building project now. And also, to get your architectural design, MEP, building estimate, and structural drawings designed to match your taste, styles, and standards. How much does it cost to build a 3-bedroom bungalow in Nigeria?